Presentation skills. This session we are looking at a very important skill required for all in a business environment because this will be required at some stage or the other as we grow up the corporate ladder. Let us look at what is meant by presentation skills. Whenever a presentation is delivered to a small knowledgeable audience, either in a conference, seminar or business meeting, and the purpose is either to inform, to explain, to persuade or present a point of view. It is followed by question answer session. It is a presentation. Presentation skills is an art, but it can be developed over a period of time, and it requires a lot of careful development of speech, delivery, presentation, aids and a whole lot of other things that we will see as we progress. Presentations in a business, when do we do? Annual presentation of reports. Whenever annual presentation of reports, the board of directors may do it to the shareholders, then that's a presentation. Launching a new product or service. If this has to be communicated to the media so that there is awareness, then that would be a presentation. Starting a training course / session. All the training sessions are presentation sessions. Presenting a new business plan. The sales head may present a new business plan, or the marketing head may present a new business plan. Making a marketing / sales proposal and presenting it to the concerned people so that it's either okayed or if modifications have to be made, it can be made. Making a contribution to a conference / seminar on a particular topic if somebody is asked to present in a seminar. Diversification of a business. If the current business is in training and they want to diversify into software development and they want to share this with the team, that could be one of the reasons. Demonstration of a new technique of work / equipment / machinery. It could be new presentation equipment or it could be new printer, whatever it might be. The person who is selling the product may want to make a presentation regarding the same. Study of progress, downfall of the organization or of the competitors. Could be another opportunity for presentation. At the time of interview or promotion, if asked by the management for such a presentation. Because as we grow in the levels, presentation skill becomes a must, especially if you are holding a marketing or a sales job. So during the interview, they may want to check out your presentation skills. What are the elements of a presentation? 3 major elements: presenter / speaker, audience, specific content, what is being delivered. These are 3 important elements of any presentation. Let's look at 10 steps to make a successful presentation. It may sound easy, but it is an elaborate and a highly focused development process to have good presentation skills. The basic steps are: consider the occasion and objective. What is my objective? Is my objective to present to the shareholders how my company has done for this year? Make audience analysis. Who are the people who are going to sit? In this case example that I discussed, the shareholders of the company. It could be employees as well as outsiders. Get acquainted with the environment / location. Where is the presentation going to be? Is it going to be in a hired hotel or in the company's so-called seminar hall? Decide the manner and mode of presentation. How am I going to present? Is it going to be a extempo speech? Is it going to be a PPT based presentation? Plan out the presentation script. What are the things that I'm going to say and in what sequence? Because you are dealing with shareholders, we need to be very careful about what you present and say as far as the company is concerned. Visual aids, handouts, feedback forms. These will be required in a presentation. Visual aids could be PPTs which will support the presentation, handouts The company may want to share its balance sheet with the shareholders. Feedback forms, if I would like, either it could be in the form of a question answer session, or it could be a form which tells how the session went as far as the presenter is concerned. Rehearse the presentation. Senior people may not need a lot of rehearsals, but they may do it in front of the mirror, or they may do it otherwise also. But it comes through practice. So if a person is learning to make the presentation, will rehearse in front of the mirror or in front of an audience who can help the person improve. Consider personal aspects, physical appearance and body language. Extremely important in a presentation, because you're representing the company in the example that I spoke about. So it would be very, very formal, okay, clean attire, okay, and the body language should speak about the image of the company. Overcome nervousness. Regular presenters don't have that problem, but people who are starting afresh will encounter that problem. Hence, it comes only through regular practice. More and more of mock presentations can help you overcome the problem of nervousness. Making the presentation, and finally, making presentations. 6 great helpers as far as making good presentations are asking some valid questions like, why? Why am I making this presentation? What is the purpose? Who? To whom am I making the presentation? Audience. Where? Is it at a public place? Is it in a conference hall? Or is it a one-to-one? When? What is the timing? While we train, what we do is we don't keep heavy sessions after lunch. We make it more interactive sessions. That when is very important. What? What is the content? What am I going to say? How? Is it going to be with visual aids? Is it just going to be an extempo presentation? Or am I going to read points? However it might be, the objective has to be satisfied. So we spoke about presentation skills. One critical skill required as we climb the ladder, the corporate ladder is what I'm talking about. And certain departments, it's critical, like the marketing and the sales. Thank you.